Today, my classmate and professor. This is a brief executive presentation of DB 8035 Supply Chain Management Global Environment of Capella University. My name is Olakiton Stephen Alabi, and my professor is Dr. Terry Frere. Today, I want us to briefly look at the executive presentation. Uh, we are looking at the presentation in three main perspectives. That is supply chain context, supply chain operation, supply chain design. And we have selected one of the 100 Fortune company, 1000 Fortune company, which is Apple. Now, Apple, our selected company for the study, is a global Fortune 100 company founded in 1976 in Santa Clara Valley, California, United States. And I want you to follow as we look at all this. What the Apple outsourcing strategy caught my attention. They actually outsource, Apple very well. Mainly China is mean a place they outside with some collaboration with many company, and I love the idea of their collaboration. And in their transportation, Apple have preference for air transport because it is reliable and actually it is dependable, and they can actually quickly, because of the way they handle their stock, which is just within time in the shelf, and they are technologically driven, as you have known. So it allowed them for transparency, and that one allows to know that Apple blockchain will be useful a lot for Apple. And the Apple is a leading company in ecosystem. Apple have been leading in ecosystem. We can see that according to Seth and Young 2020, Apple is one of the most valuable company in the US with a market cap of over $1 trillion as of April 2020. They have increased now. A big part of success comes from ability to be a true innovator in personal technology. Apple Business Associates are partners in company greatest achievement. You can see the collaboration of Apple. Apple normally carries along over 200 suppliers that assist in procurement of almost 98% component of ecosystem operation. So Apple is actually a company of today for tomorrow, and then we can see that the evolution of sustainability, logistic and supply chain. Apple projects span the range from a more sustainable supply of virgin fiber in China to a goal of powering all its operations worldwide on 100% renewable energy. That's a very wonderful one. And we know that Apple is carbon neutral, very important. And Apple as a company is exposed to global risk, as we have known, and that generally because it's a multinational company, so it's exposed to global risk. The current business environment affect Apple's purchasing decision, competition, all subject to rapid technological change. Finally, the globalization of industry and commerce has brought with it many benefits, but also a multitude of challenges. Companies that once served only local market now reach out to customer and consumer located from far, which is from the original base. At the same time, companies sourcing and manufacturing arrangement extend around the world. Therefore, supply and distribution network are more complex and even more uncertain. The task of managing and coordinating the global web of the physical and information flow becomes a priority for business to remain competitive. Very, very, very important. Consequently, the need for a higher level of logistic and supply chain management capability is now greater than ever before. So companies like Apple, they are challenged to work towards development and innovation in technology. They are doing well now, but they need to improve. Thank you. I'm Olakitan Stephen Alabi. Thank you.